So I'm out here with the old waste oil fire just going nice, making a big mess of smoke and soot. Then I had an idea. So I got my truck here that's been sitting here for years with this 7.3 IDI that is completely fucked because it just blows about as much exhaust out of here, the crank breather, as it does out the actual exhaust. And right about now, it has about 2 to 3 gallons of oil and however much rest water it takes to fill up the block to the point where it literally doesn't even drain into the block anymore. It still turns though, and it runs. Badly-ish, but it runs. So I figured, why not just drain the oil out, put whatever things that can count as oil that I have around here into it, and just freaking see if we can run it again. Just throw a bunch of stuff down here, it'll go right away. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's see how bad this is, and we're gonna catch it. Catch at least the oil. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this is gonna be horrible. Oh no. Yeah, that's 100% water. Wonder when the oil's gonna start coming out. Alright, so I finished draining all the shit out of this engine. Satisfactory, at least. So I pulled the oil out of this, because this also had a bunch of water in it, but not nearly as much as that. And I gotta change that anyway. So we're just gonna throw that in there and hope it's enough. Good God, it's blowing this way. That stinks. So one moment I can't do this with one hand. Alright, I got the battery connected and oil put in. So we're just gonna hose it and see if it goes. Where the hell did I put the end? There you are. That the right one? Damn it, popped out. Alright, got the wire put back in. Take 2. No, doesn't like that at all. You ball sack. Not a thing. Oh, melting the battery post off. Okay, maybe we need to. Oh well. And it just went. That's perfect. You don't need 2 batteries. On you fuck. Blew all the oil out of it. There you go. Oh, that made a big mess. Well, I found some extra sets of jumper cables to connect the other battery up. Whoever said you can't run that many amps through that one cable is an idiot. Works fine. It just, might start a fire every now and then. You just put it out. Where the hell are the glow plug ones? There they are. Oh yeah, look at that. You should use that. Oh, what a big mess. I told you, there's more exhaust out of the crankcase than there is out of the actual exhaust. Holy fuck.